Welcome back to another Libby video. In this video, I'd like to talk about searching and checking things out. So here from this main library screen of Libby, so down at the bottom we're on the library tab, not the shelf tab, but the library tab. That's where your search option is going to be available. So in just looking on this main page here, if we're looking in this It's Pumpkin Spice Time category, we can see that 3 of the books, the first 2 and the last one, are ebooks. But this third one here, The Secret Book and Scone Society, has this little picture down at the bottom of earbuds, and it says audio in tiny writing. That means it's an audio book. So the other 3 books would be reading book, and this reading books, and this one here would be an audio book to listen to. So those are things to keep in mind as we're searching. So to search, we can go right up to the top and tap on search, and then you can just go ahead and search for whatever interests you. Let's do Harry Potter again. So you can see here, it's saying it's bringing up 26 books and 9 audiobooks. So if you're looking for something in particular, you could tap books here and have it only show you the 26 books that come up in that series. Or if I hit the X here and go back, you can hit audiobooks and it'll show you the 9 audiobooks it has in the series. So you can limit your searching in that way. So as you can see, most of these you need to place a hold on. Here we go, Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. That is available to borrow. So I'm going to hit borrow. And then right here, it's saying you're borrowing what? The title, and for 14 days. Now I'm going to recommend that you tap on 14 days, and that'll let you choose how long to borrow it for. At the library recommends that you set it to 21 days, because you can always return a book early, but you can't always renew it. In fact, most of the time you can't renew it. So we recommend setting it for the longest time, and then returning it early if you have to. So right down here, it's reminding me I already have 2 things checked out, and I have 1 thing on hold, so I have room to check something else out, and I'm going to hit borrow. It's going to process, and now my book is all checked out and ready to go, so I can go to the shelf and tap on it to start listening. Let's go back and find an ebook to borrow. So I'm going to go back up to the top and go into search. And let's do Jim Butcher. That's an author I like. So let me see if I can find one. Here's one that's an ebook that's ready to borrow. I'm going to tap on the cover and go into the details of the item. So I can borrow it, I can read a sample of it, I can tag it, which we'll get into a little bit more later. We've got a summary here of it. It's telling me it's in the Dresden Files, and it's number 13. It's showing me some of the other ones right around it in the series. And then right here, it's also showing me it's available as an audiobook. So I could switch over if I wanted to. It's giving me all the technical information, and then right down here under supports, it's telling me that it's available in Libby and in Kindle. So I can read it right through the Libby app, or I could send it to my Kindle e-reader device. So I'm going to go back up to the top. I'm going to hit borrow. Again, 21 days, adding it to my card, hitting borrow. And again, at this point, it's ready to read. So I'm going to go to shelf. But say I have a Kindle e-reader and I want to read this book on there. So what I can do is hit this Read With option, and I can choose which way I'd like to read it. So if I choose Kindle, it's going to take me over to the Amazon website, and it's going to let me get this library book. And now it will send it to my Kindle the next time I sync it. So you can use Libby to send ebooks to your Kindle reading device, or you can use it to read right on here. And that's all I have for today.